What is up, everyone? It is Permanent 5000. I just had a nugget. Yeah. I will solve this Rubik's Cube. And, yeah, I'm going to solve it. And see how fast I can do it. So, start counting. Start counting by 1. Like, don't use the timer. Just count with your head kick. Just start counting.
Then one of the girls I'm going by.
Done.
Yeah.
Oh, they're nice.
Yeah, I won't buy cars at the drugstore. Hell, I didn't buy cars this year.
I think I showed you all the colors, but I'm done. That is just here. I'll show you how to mess it up like that. So turn. Actually, I don't know if you guys can see it, but
If I can help you with anything, say something. If not, I'm gonna say anyway. You get hungry, Cheryl, you go ahead and eat. I didn't have to do it, so. He's making a big breeze.
Any short-term life is not big start. Big start is crucial. And once you get that,
that's how you do it like that. Yeah, see? So, yeah, that is it. I did it. Like, I will solve this off camera. Like, this is done. Like, I already showed you that I can solve it, and you guys already counted down that I was solving it. That was amazing. Thank you. Subscribe, please. I just did that. Rubik's Cube. Alright, and like the video. I'm serious. Like the video, because I just messed it up like this, and I will solve it again. So yeah. Oh, bell button too, please. Thank you. Peace.